Hello everyone, and after a long break, we are going back to our lovely Node.js. And first of all, what we gonna to do? We are going to do something functionality. So I mean the Stopwatch application, but in the command line. Whenever, for example, you would like to have some kind of Pomodoro technique and try to calculate the time that you spend, for example, in programming, I will help you to create a program that will track that. So first of all, we need to create a new file, I mean index.js. In the meantime, we are going to just create a terminal and here npm init-y to initialize our Node application. Whenever it's initialized, we are ready to start our coding journey. So first of all, we need to get the readline library. So first readline equals require readline. And with that, we are going to create the variable that will create the interface of that readline. So readline that create interface. And here we are going to pass input, also the output. So first of all, as the input, we need to have a process that is the DAIN, and also as output process that is the D out. And that's all what we need to configure with our readline. The next step, we are gonna to create some kind of variable that will, for example, handle and catch and track our start time, end time, and also the flag if the stopwatch is running. So first of all, of that thing, we are going to have let start time, the next thing, let end time, the next thing, let running, and we're just going to have a false as a default value. Then we are going to create the function. In that manner, we are going to have like two main functions that then we'll just briefly go through. First of all, we need to start. And we are going to have arrow function, and if it's not running, so that's why we need that variable over there. If it's not running, we need to command end time equals new date, and we are going to assign right now the moment right now, and running equals to false. Sorry, if it's running, we need that things. So if it's running, we need to assign a end time as a new day, start time. Come on, we are not doing that right now. Oh, start time, because we are going to start right now with a new date. Right now, write that. And we are going to, of course, set it to true. Because in my mind, we are at the stop, but right now we are at the start. So console log, we are going to have stopwatch started. And that's all. No, I'm just joking, because whenever we have if, we'll just put else. But only here we'll just have stopwatch is already running. Whenever we would like to have a double start. Fast stop. Right now we are going to have like the second function, so the stop. And if it's running, then we have to end time was new date, and there we are going to set the running false. That's what I, by mistake, done over there. Okay, going further, we need to cast elapsed time, so the time that passed, end time minus start time, and we need to just divide it by 1000. And then we'll have the seconds, how many seconds we are having our stopwatch running. So we need to console log that. Stopwatch stopped. Elapsed time. For example, we'll have it. I just need to recreate that. Oh, come on, why didn't that work as you would like to? Oh, okay. And we need the percentage sign, $sign, sorry, and elapsed time over there to put it as it should. Oh, the backticks. Come on. What have you done? And right now it should work. And it's in the seconds. Okay, whenever we've got like something like that, of course, if there is if, usually we create the else. So console log, and here stopwatch is not running with exclamation mark, because we would like to show that we are hungry. Okay, anyway, we've got our stop, we are going to have like const show menu. Here we are going to create the other function. So console log, the first of all will be the function of, because we would like to have a new line, that's why we create that backflip. And we gonna have like stopwatch over there because that's what we are going to create. First of all, we are going to have the start. Second of all, we are going to have to stop. And whenever someone will press free, we are going to have like, for example, quit. Okay, whenever we've got all our functions ready, so I mean stop, start, and quit, we are going to create right now our main menu. So const main equal, and again our function, show menu, and then we are going to do something with our interface that we created inside the readline, because we are going to readline from our questions inside the, or not terminator, but terminal. So rl that question, and here we are going to enter your choice, and we are going to pass the choice over there. And we are going to have a switch statement with a choice, because we've got like case 1, and it will just create the start, and we need to break. Then we have a case 2, then we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna break. And we've got case 3, of course, where we are going to RL. So we again going back our interface, and over there we are going to close our readline application, so in our other case the terminal, and we're gonna to have return, and as default, of course, we'll have like some kind of etching of the errors of the user. So invalid choice, please try again, something in that manner. And of course, we need to break after that. Whenever our questionnaire is ready, we need to just rerun our application, so some kind of regression. I know no one just like it, and we're gonna to pass our main function over there. Of course, remember to be in the folder when we create everything, and then node index.js because that's the file how I call it. And right now, I will just going to create our stopwatch. So as you can see, I just created our stopwatch. So it started. Whenever it stopped, it passed 10 seconds. In another case, as you can see, I can do that very quickly, and it's working as it should. And the last thing, of course, to check is a with over there. Okay, so that's all our Stopwatch application. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section. Also, I will provide the full code in the website that will be linked in the description. If you would like to learn Node application, how to build Node application in 4 days, also, I will just leave a link to the course. So that's all. If you have an idea for the next videos, just post them in the comment section and see you then.